Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a low credit limit with Synchrony Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before attempting to fix a low credit limit with Synchrony Bank, check your current credit report. Obtain a copy of your credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus. Review the report for any inaccuracies or discrepancies. If you find errors, dispute them directly with the credit bureau. Next, assess your overall financial health. Take a close look at your income, expenses, and existing debts. Establish a budget to manage your finances effectively. Consider paying down existing debt to improve your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total credit limit. Once you've improved your financial standing, gather your financial documents. Prepare recent pay stubs, tax returns, and any relevant bank statements. Log into your Synchrony Bank account or create one if you don't have it yet. Navigate to the Account Services section. Look for an option to request a credit limit increase. Submit your request, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Clearly explain why you're requesting the increase in the provided comments section. Highlight your steady income and improved financial habits. Wait for Synchrony Bank to review your application. Be mindful that this process may take a few business days. You will receive a notification via email regarding their decision. If denied, consider waiting at least 6 months before applying again. In the meantime, focus on consistently making on-time payments. Monitor your credit score to track improvements over time. Finally, remain patient and persistent in your efforts to improve your credit limit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.